Hi guys, so as you know, unfortunately, the UK Turks app has been blocked on Amazon Fire Stick devices, and you can no longer use it. So today I'll show you how to get the best alternative apps, which you can use to get live TV as well as live sports on any Amazon Fire TV device. And without any further ado, the very first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader to the Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. So now we have to go to the search on the FireTV stick by clicking this button with a gear icon, open it, and there you'll see this big search bar appear. Use it to start entering Downloader in the search. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, Downloader has already popped out. It means that there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Just click on Downloader, and here's this orange app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to set up Downloader, we have to go to the settings. So here we go, select that button with a gear icon, click on it, and then go to My FireTV. Open it. And now here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select FireTV stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it said no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you'll now finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now finally, let's go back to the list of applications on your FireTV stick. Here it is, open it, and there's the Downloader app now. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Singapore right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV, or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone, or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and now let's head finally for VDownloader. So open VDownloader app on the FireTV stick, and now there in that big search bar we'll have to enter a code to download the apps that we are interested in. And the first code will be 302390. So once again, it's 302390. Click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now when this web page opens, you just have to click that green download APK button. So click on it, then you might see an ad. If you see an ad, just click on the X button right here to close it down. And now in a couple of moments the download will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. So just wait until it is downloaded, and then also make sure to install the app to your device. So click on the installation button, and now the installation process should finish too. And after that, do not click on open yet. It's a better idea to click on done, as this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So just click on delete and delete once again to get rid of unnecessary files, and then also save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. Then let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. Just open it, and there's this new application which we got for you. It's the first app, but I got even more amazing apps for you, so stick with me. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. You click on it, and this menu will appear on the right side of your screen. Then you click on move to front, and this way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And this way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Now actually let's go and take a look at inside of this app. So we open it, wait a bit for it to load, and yeah, it might ask you to update. If that's the case, then just click on the update button, click allow, click on settings, and then go to install unknown apps here, and turn that option on for the TVMob Pro application. This way the app will be able to update itself. Then go back and open the app again, click on the back button on your remote, click update again, click install, and now the updated version of the app should get installed. When you click on done, you'll be returned to the home screen of your Fire Stick, so open the app again now, and this time it should work fine. So click OK, and now here I had to blur out my screen because YouTube obviously doesn't allow me to show you what's going on inside this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So you can use this app to access live TV channels as well as live TV sports from all major countries such as UK, US, Canada, Australia, Europe, and so on. And you are able to filter the content or the channels by different regions of the world, which might come in handy. And that was the first app we got for you today. But as I said, I got even more good stuff lined up for you. So we head back to downloader, open it again on the Fire Stick, go back to home, remove that previous code as it is not needed anymore for us. And now another code we'll be using today is going to be 3357173. So once again, 3357173. Click on go now, and now we'll start the download of the second app in a couple of seconds. So basically this web page will open for you. You have to click on download direct, and now basically we'll start downloading the application. It should take between 5 and 10 seconds to get the app downloaded to your Amazon Fire Stick device. Then just click install and wait until the installation process is finished. After that, click on done and delete the necessary files from the FireTV stick device. Well, you already know the drill for that. And then let's go back to the list of apps on your device, and now here's the second app we got for you. Let's put it up front as well, and open the app then. And here, in this app, you also will get access to loads of live TV channels as well as live events. And again, I had to blur out my screen for the same reason as previously. So enjoy those amazing apps we got for you today, and see you next time. Bye bye.